Hello quilters, Allison from Meadow Rose Quilting, and I want to share a brief video on how I go about connecting edge-to-edge designs to create something a little bit unique or different. So the first thing that I want to do is double check right now when I bring in a design. So I'm going to go to File in my tab and Design and Open. I'm using the Clamorama One design, and I just want to show you something. I'm going to bring in Clamorama number 6, Curly, Open, and it opens right on top of the previously open design. And you can see that both of them, their start points are right at the crosshairs. Let me clear all. And over on the far right is my Settings tab, my Advanced in the ribbon, and General. And if we select down at the bottom on the sidebar, it says load start point at crosshairs. So every time I load a design, the start point is going to be at the crosshairs. But here's another little tool, load point to point. If I select that, and let's turn that, deselect that, and go back to File, bring in a design and Open. So let's start with the Plain Jane number 1, Open. And we can see that it opens with the design starting at the crosshairs. Let's open another one, File, Design, Open. Let's do that curly again, Open. And look where that curly has gone. It's jumped and the start point is matching up to the end point. Now, if I select none, and I have 2 ways to select both of them, I can multi-select, select the first one, select the second one, and baseline. I now have one design. Let's bring in another one. File, Design, Open. And let's see, let's do this sun. Now we're going to do the heart. I like the heart. And we're going to open, and again, it's jumped all the way over to the far right. It's connected. But here's another way that I can connect these. If I go to my workspace over on the sidebar, there's my merged group 1. Now what I did there is I selected sort of all of them. I'm going to deselect them. Let's start off with the merged group 1. And if I hold down my Shift key and select the second, or the Clamorama 09 heart, it's going to select that one as well. I have a new merged group. I can baseline. And here's a cool thing. I can rename that. And instead of merged group, let's see about calling it CLAMORAMA times 3. I could give it any name I want. I forgot the R or the O. Okay, so enter. There's my design. I'm going to save this. I'm going to save the selected. And I'm actually going to save it in that Clamorama file folder because I want to be able to come back to it. So I'm going to save. I'm going to clear all. And let's bring on that design that we've saved. So we're going to go File, Design, Open. There's my Clamorama times 3, Open. Now what I can do is I can go to my Repeat tab. Over on the sidebar, I can add in a couple of horizontal repeats. I can go vertical, add a couple of vertical repeats. Do I like it? No, maybe we should do a bit of a wrap. So on my Repeat tab, the wrap on the ribbon, and I'm going to go back to horizontal, and I'm going to slide every row halfway over. Oh, that looks nice. Let's close that gap. So we're going to select vertical. We're going to close the gap, bring those designs a little bit closer together. And look at that. I've got a lovely repeatable design. Oh, I've got all of these dotted lines. Let's go to View and let's take off my jumps. The jumps are still there, but now I can see a little bit clearer. this trick helps you in laying out some designs and gives you some ideas on how you can be more creative using Pro Stitcher Premium. Happy quilting!